Okay, so I am still at the SEEP Earthworks area in Chillicothe with all the social studies videos I just posted, but I want to make this one a science video because this is really, really awesome to see this. All right, so I did not know about this creek, but this is Paint Creek, which looks kind of like a little river to me, but it is called Paint Creek. And what's really neat, what I just learned about Paint Creek is that there is evidence in the rock, in the geology of this area, that this river used to flow north until the glacier came through in Ohio and changed the landscape. And now this creek flows to the Scioto River in one of my other videos where I was talking about that. And then that flows into the Ohio River. So if I got in a canoe here, I would go to the Scioto River and then to the Ohio River. But what's really, really neat is what's across the creek here, this massive landslide that has happened. It looks like not too long ago because it's not too overgrown over there. And that is just a great example of weathering and erosion. So I'm going to zoom in here a bit so you can see those boulders and all that sand and all that gravel and all that mud that at one point was up there high up on that hillside, and because of weathering where things break apart and then erosion, it is now down there, and then this creek is going to wash it out even further downwards, downstream. That is just amazing to see that. The size of some of those boulders, they're noticing that big one right there, right? It wasn't there before, it was higher, but because of gravity and water and everything else, it has eroded down the hillside.